how to order a bowl instead of a burrito on the Chipotle app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want that Chipotle flavor without the tortilla, well, here is how to order a bowl instead of a burrito using the Chipotle app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Chipotle app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, you can tap on Start New Order or the Order button to begin building your meal. And when you see a menu, simply select Ball instead of Burrito. And after that, you can just customize your ball with your favorite ingredients like rice, beans, protein, salsa, and much more. And here, once it's perfect, you can add it to your bag and check your location and time. And after that, you can just place your order. And that's it. Now you have just ordered a burrito bowl like a pro. No tortilla, same great taste. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.